If you're creating a sci-fi movie or making a story and you're looking for the best app to or image generation tool to use to create your sci-fi images, Leonardo AI is the best for you, and this is because it offers you image generation beyond anything you've seen. Now, to generate a sci-fi image, all you have to do is to go to this website app.leonardo.ai and scroll down to the community creation section and choose the sci-fi option. This would create a list for us to choose from on already created sci-fi images. Now this is very nice and good. All you have to do is to scroll and explore the page till you see something you love or like, and you can create. This is very good. You can create something similar to that, and that is how to create a very good sci-fi image on what you want to make. So this is just beautiful and lovely. So if you've enjoyed this video, please make sure you leave a like and comment below. Thank you very much and do have a great day.